how to delete Pinterest account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, launch the Pinterest application and make sure that you're logged in with the account that you would like to delete. Once you're logged in and land on your home page, now navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Once you land on your profile page, again tap on the settings icon or gear from the upper right corner of this interface. Now, once you get to settings page, just under edit profile in account section, there is an account management option. Tap on there and you will land on this interface. Scroll down a bit and under deactivation and deletion, there is an option as delete your data and account. Simply tap on there. Here, make sure you read this information. Now, if you are ready to delete your account forever, for the final step, you will receive an email on your email address shown in this interface to confirm your deletion process. For that, tap on continue. Now you have to enter or provide the reason why you are deleting your account. Then tap on send email. Now an email has been sent with final step to delete your account in your email address. Now if you are ready and you made your mind to delete your account, simply open up the Gmail on your device and here in your inbox you will receive a mail. Scroll down a bit and until and unless you don't delete your account or tap this button that says yes delete from your email that you receive from Pinterest account, your account will not get deleted. Now to finally delete your account, simply tap on this option as delete account and that will permanently delete your account. And that's how you can delete Pinterest account. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.